Guys, today I'm taking a look at the CUKTECH 10 power bank. This is a powerful, compact and efficient solution for all your high power charging needs. Whether you're charging a laptop, smartphone or tablet, this portable charger has you covered with its impressive features and capabilities. So let's dive into what makes this power bank stand out from the rest. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the CUKTECH 10 P Series power bank. Why 10? Well, that's because this pretty small power bank delivers a massive 10,000 milliamps and up to 150 watts of power. And that's pretty impressive. Now, before we get into it, CUKTECH sent me this power bank to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First off, guys, open up the box and we've got some instructions. We also have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable to charge this bad boy up, and then we've got the main unit itself, and as you can see, it's kind of like a little block. It's not that big really, to be fair. It's about 5 inches ish tall, probably about an inch thick, and probably about an inch and a bit wide. The beauty of this is that you have this fantastic little display on the front here which shows you how much charge is in it, the charging capacity, the draw that your devices are taking, and that's pretty useful to know that stuff. You've also got your Type A and Type C connections on the top, and you know what? It feels pretty nice in the hand. Now, this CUKTECH power bank is designed for people who need reliable and fast charging on the go. Like I said, with a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, this power bank delivers up to 100 watts of power for laptops, 27 watts for iPhones, and up to 45 watts for the newer Samsung Galaxy devices. And that is not bad. I would say this is the ultimate companion for ensuring your devices stay charged at maximum speed wherever you are. Add to this its exceptional charging speed. I mean, you can charge an iPad Pro up to 55% in just 30 minutes, a feat that most power banks on the market can't achieve. With a high-speed output of 150 watts maximum, your devices will always be ready to go whenever you are. And not only does the CUKTECH 10 power your devices quickly, but it also recharges itself in no time. With a 90 watt maximum self-charging capability, you can get 55% of the power bank's capacity in just 15 minutes. This means you can fully charge your iPhone 15 once with a short recharge of this power bank itself. And guys, that is impressive. Also guys, the CUKTECH 10 also features, like I said, this vibrant TFT color screen that provides real-time visibility into crucial details such as voltage, current, battery level, power output, and even the remaining time for both charging and recharging. This smart display ensures you stay in control and informed about your power bank status at all times. And guys, the real beauty here is the form factor. Despite its high power capacity, the CUKTECH 10 power bank is designed to be lightweight and portable, weighing in at less than 300 grams, making it easy to carry around without adding bulk to your bag. So you know what? Strike the perfect balance between power and convenience. So guys, there you have it. The CUKTECH 10 power bank is an essential gadget for anyone who needs fast, reliable and powerful charging for their devices. With features like 100 watts single port output, rapid self-charging, a smart display and lightweight design, it's the perfect solution for all your charging needs, whether you're traveling, working or just out and about. This power bank ensures your devices stay powered up and ready to go. And you know what? At a price of just £42.49 on Amazon at the time of this video going live, it's not going to break the power bank. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to CUKTECH for sending me this very cool power bank to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.